कैसे करेगा?
Sir, 3-ship STS में what is possible?
Now we are doing na 3-ship STS na triple banking. We are normally telling in 3-ship STS triple banking. So we have STS ship to ship operation plans, joint operation plan. So we always follow this STS plan. Otherwise we can't do. STS, before starts STS and during the STS we have total 5 different checklists. Now we have 3 ships. For the one vessel we have 5 checklists, and for the other vessel we have 5 checklists. Lot of things in the checklist: STS equipments, mooring and unmooring procedures, fenders and baby fenders. Everything must be in good conditions. Transfer areas and weather condition is more important. Transfer areas, we must know the condition. STS equipments, understand now? The important thing is for the both vessels. You see the 3 vessels at the moment. The compatibility with the other ships and cargo handling compatibility is more important. Otherwise we can't do the STS. Understand ना? मेरी बात समझ रहे ना? मेरी बात क्या बोला आपको? So the ship's suspension and operation is my authority, and I will discuss with mooring master and loading master and other authorities that I want to conduct or not conduct. Then finally STS record, we will make all the record and operations. ठीक है सब? This is the more important thing. After mooring master, loading master, survey, everybody on board. ठीक है सब? The important thing is 3 STS, 3 vessels, same time, simultaneous operation, no contamination. So the checklist and lining up must be more important. If we are doing 3 STS, 3 vessels same time, the contaminations, lining, double time checking the lining up, all the walls, very important. If you feel uncomfortable, stop with one STS with other vessel and continue first STS with other vessel, and last operation you can do separately. Don't do everything simultaneously. Understand now? Because STS suspended is my authority. Lightning coordinator, mooring master, loading master is not authority. Firing, I am the authority. I can tell I don't want. I want 1 by 1 hour operations. Prevention of fatigue is very important. If I feel not comfortable, I will tell okay, delay. Transfers, weather conditions. Understand now? Transfer of the weather condition is more important. फिर the prevention of fatigue, coastal waters, coastal warnings, met reports. If international waters, okay, nav warnings. Understand now? Now here is local warnings, coastal warnings. We are in inside, so coastal warning and this local warning is more important for us. Okay, hose handling expert and crane handling expert people must be on board. Understand ना? क्या बोला आपको? ठीक है ना? Now fenders and hoses must be in good conditions. Baby fender, everything. Now daylight or night. This is more important. Some companies don't allow that only berthing, unberthing and this operation on the daylight hours. Not night time allow. Some companies told okay, small vessels come in the daytime and the night time only, daytime only big vessels and night time always small vessels. No problem, they can manage. Now the important thing is risk assessments. Important risk assessment we can make before. Understand now? Now contingency plannings are ready. Understand now? Now transfer STS by the more sophisticated if underway, if the vessel is moving, both moving, so that STS is more sophisticated. Understand now? Mooring lines, line management plan suitable for STS transfer. Understand now? Engine must be on short notice. Mera engine jo hai now is on the short notice, and all the other 3 vessels engines must be in short notice. ठीक है सब? Now joint STS checklist we already filled. Joint STS plan, joint STS, ICS, OCIMF, ship to ship transfer, and everything must be. We already ready. Understand ना? So you understand everything. So अभी मैं आपको क्या बताना चाह रहा था इसके अलावा. Now something I want to discuss: safe watch keeping in CCR and bridge. Bridge must be manned. Before we doing STS operation, we have done always safety drills. Okay, understand na? Safety drills is important related to STS. How we conduct the STS, if cargo oil overflow, how we will manage loading overflow, discharging overflow. Understand na? Fire. So these type of drills we already did before. The weather threshold, very less people know. So weather threshold, because mooring loads can be considered. Sometimes ship too much loaded vessels, sometimes light. So the mooring, the weather thresholds, and these things must be considered. Understand na? Now consideration, this our tides, ebb tides, high tide, low tide, because this always vessel condition must be different. Waves, long swells, high swells. Understand na? The important thing I want to discuss is vapor balancing. Understand na? In the vapor balancing we have close gauging and alleging all the times. Understand na? General arrangement plan, capacity plan, fire plan, various plan, other plan, lesson plan, everything must be ready. Because if anything emergency, you must consider that we have different type of plan. Understand now? Now, something is everything must be come from the experience. If you did 1 or 2 STS, you know everything. ठीक है सब? STS mooring equipments plan and these things, mooring plan, muster list, and these maps, well, everything must be ready on the bridge for emergency. Understand now? Now ship this owners, brokers and charterers and coastal state address must be on the bridge, CCR in different places for agent worker. So in case of emergency, we can contact, we can consider everybody. Understand now? Now you can come and I'll show you the view how this 3 STS is going on. Now you see this vessel is here. Okay, now just check our vessel ULCC ultra large crude collier. This is a Suezmax. Okay, now same thing you see, you can see. Okay, so same time we can consider everything. Understand now? Leave it here. Okay, so you just check. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for cooperation.